So I want to show you guys these smart lights, these LED 6-inch lights, and this is a 6-pack, and it comes with the light itself, which are flat. It has the plug here, and it has lights on the side. So not only does it have this one, but it has lights on the side, which I think are pretty neat. It comes with a little box with the wire nuts, and the cables are inside. So you break one of these off, depending on which side you want the wire to run through. So once you connect this, you just plug it into here and you put it in your ceiling. The way they stay in place are with these little clips here. So when you put it in, you just push these there, put it up, and they hold it in place. And you take off these little foams right here. It also has the app here, 2 different apps that you could download. You just get your phone, open up the camera, scan it, download it. So let's go and install these. So we're gonna remove the fluorescent light and attach the LED light.
All right. And then the ground.
So we're gonna connect the wires here, which is the negative, positive, and the ground, to the little box there. So we're gonna use the woggles instead of the wire nuts. These didn't come with the lights, but they're a lot easier to use, in my opinion. Add another one to the positive and to the neutral.
Yeah, and then this is the positive.
And then that one's the positive. And now we're gonna go ahead and connect them up here. All right, and now we just plug it in. Fold the little flaps back and push it in place. Now let's turn it on. So I ended up downloading the Smart Life app, and you could see I put a light here in the master bedroom entrance, which is right above here. So on the instructions, it says you gotta turn on and off the switch right there 3 times, but I did it 5 times and then it started blinking. Once it starts blinking, it either says add device here or you click on that little plus sign. So I did that. I kept trying with 3 times turning on and off and it didn't work, so 5 times was a charm. It might be more, so just to let you know, it does say 3, but it could be more. So the auxiliary light is the one that goes around it, which is red, and then the main light is the main light there. You could adjust the light to whatever brightness or color you want there, and same thing with the auxiliary light. So it has different colors. What I like about it, you could press night mode and it gets dim. You press daily mode, it gets bright, and then you press streamer mode and it does that cool little pattern. The auxiliary light changes colors and goes in a circle around and the light dims. You put party mode and it starts blinking and the light stays on. Leisure, the light, and then it slowly goes around in a little pattern. And this rhythm mode is pretty cool because you go at it when you play your music, it goes to the music. So right now the mic's on, you could see it's going with my voice and it's changing colors. And if you put music, then it changes with the music. So really awesome light, highly recommend it. And I love that you could put it with the app. So there you go.